Hello everybody, some of you has just said that there is an password that the file is asking for you to just extract the file, and so you couldn't have just download the file, and so I'm going to show you how to fix it. Just download the file, which is right here, Among Us. I already did, so you can see. Let's just this, and yeah. Right click, extract to Among Us, and enter the password. I gave you the password in the description down below. Like that. Oh, and here it is, your file, right there. And yeah, just get in, and you just play the game. If there's an error, that's because of you didn't just download these files. You have to download the files, and then just run the game. It will go on. I have the latest version, so nothing wrong will happen. So if you guys enjoyed this video, you can just hit the like button and subscribe.